Well, this is the first fishing tournament of 2021 for me. Fishing it with my good, long-time friend, Steve Prang. He used to call us, we back in the day, fish all sorts of tournaments together. Team PB&J. Yeah, we're all about the puns. Didn't get it, Prang, bust, P and B and PB. Okay, whatever. On the 6-span stretch of the St. Joe River, same place I fished last weekend. But today the big challenge is a slot limit. You get allowed 4 fish, 2 fish per angler over 15 inches. As many fish as you want, under 12. So our limit is 5 fish total, but we can't have more than 4 fish that are 15 inches or larger. Then we can have 1 or any combination of 5 that are 12 inch or under 12. Rattle Trap. It's probably a slot fish though. Got him. Oh, shoot. This is Steve.
Over 12. Not very big, but he might be a 12.
Be a 12, be an under. Call me about that. Yeah, there we go. All day long. Oh yeah, we got yourselves an under.
Let's hope that's not always not.
Fish on? I got you. Come on the other side here. There we go. You got yourself a smallmouth bass.
Over.
Ned Rig, we got yourself an over, I think, Steve.
Huh?
I think we got yourself an over.
Oh.
Coming close. Slap him on there.
Oh.
Oh, you're a bad fisherman after all.
Yes.
I mean, I think it's an under. Woo! Water temp is nearly 9 degrees warmer than it was a week ago. Oh, I'm real interested to see what that does to the bite. Last week we found it pretty good. Jeremy and I found a pretty good bite on the blade bait. But let me tell you, today, blade bait bite stunk. Get the spot lock so we don't spot. This is another pike, I'm gonna be upset. No, and there definitely ain't no pike. This is one of the types of fish that they are in control. Yeah, look at that. Look at that big old. Look at that big old smallmouth bass. Steve?
Yes, sir.
Are you having a blast with smallmouth bass?
Blast with smallmouth bass.
Pow!
Yeah.
Get yourself another slot. Well, you're kicking me right now with that Ned, so I'm getting mad at you. Huh? See that? There's a good color there, huh? Some good color. Yeah. And he might be another. Yeah, I think we're going really close to being over. Another beautiful fish, though. I think you got yourself another. Yeah. Yeah.
He makes it.
He makes it. Fish on? Yeah. Alright, there he is again. You got the Ned Rig fix, Stephen. We'll see. Maybe. Maybe we'll find out. All that work for this thing. Man, that's it. That's number 3. Yeah. To tell you the truth, the only thing that really worked with the Ned Rig, and boy, did it work well, especially at the end of the tournament. I'll let you see that unfold.
Good? Huh?
Yeah. Night. Night. It's been a long time watching you kick my butt with this thing. Maybe I finally got, man, you got a big old mess here.
Yes, I do.
Look at Steve. Look at Steve. Look at this. Look at this.
Somebody interrupted me.
There we go.
I'm all wrapped up.
Oh man, don't trip and fall now. Feels all right. See if he's an improvement. Yeah, I think he's all good. And that's even better. Rules of the river. Only 2 fish or 15 inches per angler. So we got 5 now. We gotta let one go. I'm even gonna show you where I caught those fish. If Steve will do it here, come. Same spot. You see that ramp there? Going into the water, and that's current with an eddy basically behind it from the current and also the wind. And just letting our Neds drift onto, I'm gonna assume, a little hole behind it. Fish on? How's he feel? Does he feel big, Steve? Oh, shit. May very well help us out again. May very well help us out again. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, look out, I'm going to hit you in the face. This one's going back. Steve just got that one. Oh my gosh. Fishing right through here. Oh my gosh, they're just sitting up in here. We got 9. Yeah. You don't feel very good, but you actually look pretty good. I saw. Another over, but he's not going to help us. Yep. Look at that jawbreaker. Bite me tackle, jig head. Yeah, there's a promo code for those in the description below. Come out here, Steve. Prang. Giving my baits, fishing in my boat. And he is absolutely killing me. Jeez Louise. But we threw a whole host of baits. Alabama rigs, jerk baits. We did throw a Ned Rig early on, and blade baits and swim baits and rattle traps, and man, oh man, it was just extremely tough until Steve, give him all the credit in the world, because he showed me up on how to throw that Ned Rig. You are Mr. Ned. Mr. Ned, tell me how it's going there, Mr. Ned. No, not gonna help? Oh, it's a pretty good day. That's not gonna help us. This has been an unbelievable last hour. We caught 5 overs. Now we got a couple slots. We've been calling fish. What a terrible bite it's been all day. And now we just come on we just kept moving. Kept moving. I know I've said it 1,000 times in my other videos, but that is key, to just keep on plugging away. You can see this seawall. There's a bunch of rock out here. And not only is there rock, but you can see down here, there's a couple of fish as well. And that's where we've been pulling these fish out of. Feels all right. I'm sure you saw on the camera. That thing was actually on for a couple seconds before I realized he was on. That's a nice smallmouth. Huh?
Another small.
Are you sure? You ain't gonna help us? I don't think I think he's a little skinny, but my gosh, you're amazing. You're amazing.
You have a bite?
It was a thump. I set the hook and my line just broke off. I don't know where or what yet. I don't know. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to go weigh our fish and see if we have any chance of winning a few dollars today.
2.6.
Yeah.
10 pounds, 0 ounces.
Well, we didn't win, but we did have a respectable third place finish with 10 pounds flat. Thanks for tuning in. Have a blast, smallmouth bass. Until next time, we'll see you in the water.